여러분 안녕? Korean doesn't confuse people because it's hard. It confuses them because most start the wrong way. They memorize the words, copy sounds, and hope fluency magically appears. It doesn't. The good news? Every one of those mistakes is fixable, fast. Welcome to Airlearn Korean, where every lesson will help you read, speak, and think in Korean the way it's actually used. In this lesson, we'll go through the 10 biggest mistakes learners make and exactly how to fix them so you can start reading, writing, and speaking confidently the way Korean is actually used. And if you want to go beyond watching to really practicing, the Airlearn app makes it simple. It acts like your personal Korean coach, guiding your pronunciation, reading, and listening step by step so you build real fluency without the bad habits. So here we go. Mistake number 1. Relying on Romanization instead of learning Hangul. When you first start, it's tempting to use English letters. 안녕, 감사합니다, 사랑해. But here's the truth. Romanization only teaches you how Korean looks in English, not how it sounds in Korean. That's why so many learners end up mispronouncing simple words. They're reading English, not Korean. Fix it. Learn Hangul, the Korean alphabet, right from the beginning. Hangul is incredibly logical. Once you know how letters work together, you can read anything in Korean. For example, 서 actually sounds more like 서, not 서. 엄마 sounds like 엄마, not 엄마. And 감사합니다 is pronounced 감사합니다, not 감사합니다. Mistake 2. Confusing similar looking Hangul letters. This is one of the most common beginner mistakes, especially when reading or writing. Some Hangul letters look almost the same, but sound completely different. For example, 비읍 versus 피읍, 기억 versus 기억, 니은 versus 기억. Similar shape, different sound and position. Many learners mix them up when writing or pronounce them the same way, which can change the meaning of words completely. For example, 바다 versus 파다, or 가방 versus 가방. 가방 isn't a word even. Even one small stroke changes everything. How can you fix it? Slow down when you read. Look for the extra stroke or curve that changes the letter. And when writing, follow the correct stroke order, because strokes help you recognize letters faster. And mistake number 3. Not understanding how syllable blocks work. Hangul letters don't just line up left to right, just like English. They combine into syllable blocks. Many beginners write letters separately, like 히읗, 아, 니은, 기역, Yeah, it's hard. But instead of grouping them as Hangul, how can you fix it? Remember this rule. Each block is one syllable. Each block usually has a consonant plus vowel, or consonant plus vowel plus consonant, just like 집. Practice reading full blocks. It helps your brain recognize patterns faster. For instance, Hangul, it's 한 plus 글. 학교 is 학 plus 교. 사람 is 사 plus 람. Once you see blocks, Korean reading becomes natural. Mistake number 4. Ignoring pronunciation changes, the 받침 rules. Korean pronunciation changes depending on where a letter appears. This is called 받침, the final consonant sound in a syllable. For example, 밥 is called 밥, not 밥. 감사합니다 sounds like 감사합니다, not 감사합니다. 읽어요 is 읽어요, not 읽어요. Beginners often read every letter literally, but that's not how Koreans work. How can you fix it? Listen to how real Koreans pronounce words and imitate them. Not the spelling. You'll notice the same in words like 없습니다, not 없습니다, or 있습니다, not 있습니다. Listening closely makes all the difference. Mistake number 5. Writing too much, speaking too little. Many learners spend hours copying words, but but freeze when they have to talk. Writing helps memory, but your mouth needs practice too. How can you fix it? Say everything you write out loud. If you're writing 사랑, say 사랑 while writing it. 사랑, 사랑. If you're studying words like 학교 or 친구, speak them as you write. Repeat sentences like 저는 학생이에요 or 안녕하세요 while writing. Repeat after native audio. Your mouth learns faster than your pen. Mistake number 6. Memorizing random vocabulary lists. Memorizing hundreds of disconnected words won't make you fluent. If words don't connect to real experiences, you'll forget them at all. How can you fix it? Learn vocabulary through context, stories, phrases, or daily life. If you like music, learn 노래, 가수, 무대. If you like traveling, learn 공항, airport, gym, luggage, 맛집, famous restaurant. If you cook, learn 요리, cooking, 재료, ingredients, 맛있다, to be delicious. If you shop, learn 옷, clothing, 가격, price, sale, sale. The most personal the word, the faster it sticks. Mistake number 7. Over-focusing on grammar rules. Grammar books make you feel productive, but memorizing rules before using them creates confusion. Many beginners know 는 and 이가, but can't really use them naturally in conversation. How can you fix it? Learn grammar through examples. Instead of memorizing rules, see how they work in real sentences. 저는 학생이에요. I'm a student. 이거 뭐예요? What is this? 저는 커피를 좋아해요. I like coffee. 오늘은 날씨가 참 좋아요. The weather is nice today. Patterns make grammar feel alive, not mechanical. Mistake number 8. Ignoring stroke order and handwriting practice. Digital learners often skip handwriting, but writing Korean by hand improves memory and recognition. When you skip proper stroke order, your letters may look awkward, or you'll confuse biup with piup or ziut with chiut. How can you fix it? Practice writing slowly. Focus on stroke writing and spacing. Write common words like Hangul, 사랑, 학교, and 친구 carefully. Notice how biup becomes piup with one more stroke, or how hiut ends with a circle drawn last. You'll start feeling the shapes of letters, which improves reading speed too. Mistake number 9. Translating directly from English. Thinking in English while forming Korean sentences slows you down, as we all know. Korean structure is reversed. It follows subject, object, verb order. For example, I eat rice. 나는 밥을 먹어요. Literally, I, rice, eat. How can you fix it? Learn sentence patterns, not translations. 저는 something 좋아해요. I like something. 이건 something이에요. This is something. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. I study Korean. 저는 영화를 봐요. I watch movies. By practicing patterns like these, you'll start thinking directly in Korean, not English. Mistake number 10. Losing patience too soon. Every learner hits a plateau, the feeling of not improving. But Korean learning is not a race, it's a rhythm. How can you fix it? Be consistent. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough if you stay regular. Celebrate small wins. Your first full Hangul word, your first Korean sentence, your first aha moment understanding a drama line. Watch a short K-drama clip every week. Notice new words or reread your notes aloud. Those tiny steps compound into real fluency. Quick recap. So here are the 10 most common mistakes Korean learners make. Number 1, relying too much on Romanization. Number 2, mixing up similar Hangul letters. Number 3, not forming syllable blocks properly. Number 4, ignoring pronunciation changes, 받침 rule. Number 5, writing more than speaking. Number 6, memorizing random words. And number 7, over-focusing on grammar. Number 8, skipping stroke order and handwriting. Number 9, translating directly from English. Number 10, losing patience too soon. Each one is easy to fix when you learn with the right approach and when you practice consistently. Now that you know the common mistakes, try avoiding them. You can use the Airlearn app and start your practice at your pace. Just make sure to keep at it. 잘했어요. Great job. See you next time.